Welcome back to the channel. In a recent video, I posted about this idea of using near-infrared spectroscopy or analytical chemistry in general to get a new perspective on things. And typically when we talk new perspective, sometimes we're talking about zooming all the way in, other times we're talking about zooming all the way out. And one way to sort of see a new perspective on everyday objects is through drone flight. And so, because I have a small drone and I want to help motivate your imagination, I went flying and I want to show you that video and help you to see what's possible just by looking at the everyday stuff from a new perspective. Here we go. So this is in Los Angeles in the Eagle Rock area, and I do eventually plan to fly that mountain range back there as well. So I hope you enjoyed that little clip. I'll do some other flights in some other interesting areas with my drone, but this is the sort of perspective I want to add down to the molecular level, the component level, by using other types of analytical equipment to investigate down at that level in order to see how these concepts and materials are interconnected and continue to demonstrate how we can activate that data to understand more about the chemical world around us. If you want to continue to be notified about that journey, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.